All right, veterans, this is a very special video. I have a follow-up Q&A from Michael Shellenberger, who testified at the November 2024 hearing. He was asked some follow-up questions that he responded to in written form, and I've got those answers, so we're going to go over that. I've made videos for all four of the people that testified: Luis Elizondo, Tim Gallaudet, Mike Gold, and Michael Shellenberger, so make sure to check those videos out. This one is for Michael Shellenberger. Again, they were all asked questions after the hearing, and they all responded in written form. So let's get to this. Right. So the Committee on Oversight and Accountability sent him a... Right. Let's get to these. How many questions you guys? You got seven questions. Let's go. Question number 1. Can you outline the scope and methods of your investigation into Immaculate Constellation, including any sources or whistleblowers you've spoken to? Boy, I bet Jeremy Corbell would love to hear these answers, right? Michael Shellenberger responded. Here, I'm going to highlight this. He put, I vet all my sources to make sure they are who they say they are. I had multiple sources for this information. I won't reveal who they are beyond what I said during my testimony. Okay. According to your reporting, what is the purpose and structure of the Immaculate Constellation program? And how does it relate to UAP research and management within the U.S. government? I have nothing to add beyond my testimony. Okay. Can you provide more details on the alleged database of UAP-related imagery, videos, eyewitness accounts, and electronic sensor evidence compiled under Immaculate Constellation? How extensive is this database, and what types of information does it contain? He writes, I have nothing to add beyond my testimony. Come on now. Have you obtained any primary documents or records that substantiate the existence and activities of Immaculate Constellation? If so, can you share them with the committee? I have nothing beyond what I shared with the committee. Interesting. What exactly did he share with the committee? The Department of Defense, DoD, has officially denied the existence of Immaculate Constellation program. How do you respond to these denials, and what evidence do you believe contradicts the DoD's statements? He writes, I trust my sources and would note that the DoD lied about UAPs as recently as December 2024. There are no reported or confirmed drone sightings in any restricted airspace, claimed Pentagon spokesman John Kirby. Kirby stressed this point. I want to go back to something I said at the top. There's been no evidence of any of this activity in or near restricted spaces. A few days later, Kirby was forced to admit that unidentified drones had, in fact, been flying over U.S. military bases. Okay. Question. Assuming Immaculate Constellation exists as you've described, what implications does this have for our understanding of UAP and the U.S. government's handling of these phenomena? Answer. Immaculate Constellation is further confirmation that the DoD has been intensely studying UAPs since at least the 1940s, and that it has been actively spreading disinformation about them and its study of them. Interesting. And he just says things. There's no evidence here provided, right? All right. What recommendations do you have for Congress and the executive branch to ensure greater transparency, accountability, and cooperation on UAP-related issues, including any potential connections to Immaculate Constellation? I applaud the increasingly assertive tone taken by Congress toward the DoD's unconstitutional secrecy around UAPs. I encourage Congress to insist upon full disclosure of the information the DoD and other government agencies have been hiding about UAPs. It is clear that the DoD is hiding information without national security justifications for doing so. And there you go. There is the answer Q&A from Shellenberger. I don't know. What do y'all think? It's a nothing burger. Right? There's literally just nothing from that. So, not sure what to make of that. Can't give anything beyond my testimony. I don't know. It's hard to know what exactly he knows and what he isn't telling, right? So, anyway, leave that for y'all to decide. Again, go check out the other videos. There's one for Tim Gallaudet, Luis Elizondo, and Mike Gold. And, of course, this one is Michael Shellenberger. So, all right, vetters. We'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.